today I'm going to unpack and review my new HP laptop. The model number is 14s-dr1008tu. So this is a silver color, looks nice. So it's pretty light, looks classy. It came with the laptop bag free. It's worth 1999 Indian rupees. So I got this laptop 45,000 Indian rupees. So guys, this is the charger port and this is the HDMI port, and these two are USB 3.1 A type port, and this is the C type port, and this is where you can insert the headphone. And on the other side we have the memory slot. Now let me start and set up my laptop. So this is the whole look. It is really beautiful. I really like it. And it comes with Microsoft Office Home and Student, and it has the backlit keyboard as well. So to turn it on and turn it off, you can press F5 button like this. So guys, it comes with Windows 10 Home, and it has 10th generation Intel i3 processor. It has 8 GB RAM, and then it comes with 512 gigabytes SSD. So as it has a solid state drive, the performance should be fast. It has full HD display and Intel Ultra HD graphics. It has HD camera, and this laptop is Miracast compatible. So let me project this laptop to my television, and I'm going to show you that. So you can see my my television, smart TV. I'm going to connect it. So now it is connected. This is the laptop. So now it is connected to my television. You can see the screen. So Miracast feature is working fine with my television. So few things are missing on this laptop. You know, as per the price, we cannot expect everything. So it doesn't have this LCD display doesn't have anti-glare feature, and it doesn't have discrete graphics like AMD or Nvidia, so you cannot run heavy graphic applications or play heavy games. But overall, as per the price, I'm okay. I'm happy with the product. So thank you so much for your time. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.